How to get rid of hiccups? Hiccups is an involuntary contraction of diaphragm that may repeat several times per minute. Causes of hiccups. Most common triggers for hiccups that last less than 48 hours include drinking carbonated beverages, drinking too much alcohol, eating too much, excitement or emotional stress, sudden temperature change, swallowing air with chewing gum or sucking on candy. Hiccups that last more than 48 hours may be caused by nerve damage or irritation, central nervous system disorders, or metabolic disorders. Treatments for hiccups. Most cases of hiccups go away on their own without medical treatment. For long-term hiccups, we use chlorpromazine, metoclopramide, baclofen, lidocaine, haloperidol, or omeprazole. Home remedies for hiccups. Breathe into a paper bag. Gargle with ice water. Hold your breath. Sip cold water.